To transfer money from FYP to GPay, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have the FYP and GPay apps installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into both accounts. Start by opening the FYP app and navigating to the Wallet or Balance section. Look for the option to send or transfer money and click on it. You will be asked to enter the recipient's details. In this case, your GPay account. You will need to enter your GPay UPI ID, which can be found in the GPay app under the Profile or Settings section. Once you have entered the UPI ID, proceed to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's UPI ID and the amount. If all the details are correct, confirm the transaction. You will be asked to enter your FYP PIN or password to authenticate the transaction. Enter your PIN or password and click Submit. The transfer process will begin, and the amount will be deducted from your FYP wallet. The money will be credited to your GPay account, and you will receive a confirmation message from both FYP and GPay. You can then use the transferred amount in your GPay account to make payments, send money, or recharge your mobile. To avoid any issues during the transfer process, ensure your FYP and GPay accounts are active and have sufficient balance. Also, double-check the UPI ID and amount before confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from FYP to GPay, making it a convenient and hassle-free process.